Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on PCLN NVDA TSLA NFLX CMG. So PCLN still within a range where I'm not really comfortable in either direction. And we have the clear resistance at 1883 and the clear support at 1836. So we're within that trading range right now. And it's also between moving averages, the middle Bollinger Band and the 100-day. Those are tightening up. So we'll see a clear break sometime in the near future, which will give some more clarity. But when I'm in a channel in a range that I don't like, I patiently wait, or I find something else that I'm more confident in. This is a setup that I am not confident in, so not looking to trade it. Because we could easily get over this middle Bollinger Band and negate the potential bear flag, or we could reject and follow through with the bear flag. So waiting for some of that clarity within that daily range. NVDA could potentially take a hit tomorrow. We had some news right at the end of the day about Tesla working with AMD with some chips and some AI and some self-driving and all that stuff. So NVDA, very healthy consolidation at this point. Bull flag potential. Support is 184.21. We have a gap to fill here. But the bulls are holding up well, and we closed right at the upper Bollinger Band, just below it, but still healthy consolidation. If we see an increase in bear volume tomorrow and we head back down towards this gap fill, our target will be that gap fill of 180.11. Weekly time frame is potential for a bearish reversal gravestone doji with an upper wick of profit taking. If we reject from the upper Bollinger Band, that gap fill will be the level that we look to pull back to. Tesla on the daily time frame also seeing healthy consolidation. Not confident that our higher low has been established yet because of the size of the upper wick of that profit taking on the candlestick today. So our low right now is 371.07. We're looking for a higher low to be established and a bullish reversal candlestick. Resistance right now is 378.25. So we're going to be watching that level. And if we continue to see lower highs, we know the bulls are not ready yet, but we will be looking for a higher low to be established, although also aware that the weekly chart is a bearish reversal candlestick. So looking for a bullish reversal candlestick on the daily, indicating a higher low, and we don't have that just yet, so patiently waiting. Netflix seeing some buying of the dip, nice long lower wick, and a close up near the high. Support right now is 181.43 and 183.20, and we'll be looking for continuation with a break of 186.50. And then we're looking at 190 resistance after that. There's a lack of resistance, so as long as this daily higher low pattern stays intact, the bulls are in full control. If we lose this daily higher low pattern, we will look for the bears to take over on the weekly short term to stay in an equilibrium pattern with lower highs and higher lows and a tightening range. So it's all about whether or not the bulls can hold this higher low daily pattern, which they've been doing so far. CMG bulls saw a big time follow through and a strong close. It's still a lower high pattern. I'm looking at 314.67 and 317.47. So a tightening range. We did break support, but the bulls really rallied off that level. And if we see some increasing bull volume from here, we'll know that the bulls are going to see a more prolonged weekly bounce play out. We have essentially a double bottom, and if we break that 321.58 level, we will have a break of the lower highs. We'll see the hourly, or I should say the weekly RSI come off of oversold. We'll see the exponential moving averages try to become support, and the potential for a bullish MACD cross. So keep an eye. We are building a base here. I'm not confident just yet. It's hard for me to give the bulls any benefit of the doubt after so much weakness. I need to see a break of the lower highs, and then we'll be looking for the bounce to play out, and we will have a target after 321.58 of 334.91. So there is some nice upside potential if the bulls can get momentum back in their favor, which they're attempting to do at this point. They're just not there quite yet. So we'll check back in tomorrow and see how it all plays out, scouting Tesla for a bullish entry point and NVDA, both names once they form a higher low, but a bit cautious with NVDA until we see how this news is digested. Thanks again, and we'll see you tomorrow.